else do I require?
Welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to be installing a unique dome cap wig. This is not like the others that I've reviewed, and you guys know I've reviewed a lot of glueless dome cap wigs, but this is a lot different. Today's hair sponsor is Arabella Hair. I've worked with them many times on my channel. Today what I have installed is a 26-inch 13x4 pre-cut glueless body wave highlight wig.
Was gonna be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene, yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me, yeah. I get what's mine, let's remind them, be my ride. All gas, no way they gon' never pace us, no way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you grateful that I stayed down. We either pass in the past, that's all done now.
That strap, the glueless strap, is like way back there on your head. It's like a dome cap anyway, so we're gonna just not use that.
Next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas, stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try.
So this lace we are definitely going to be cutting off. So this is a prime example of another glueless wig that is ready to wear that I think isn't quite ready for me to wear.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with some Ebon.
What did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up.
It's very big fitting.
Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
When it comes to these installs, I don't mind removing more lace than I need to. I'm gonna make sure that it fits my forehead and hairline. So sometimes you just gotta go in and cut off an extra bit of lace to make it fit.
I've been thinking of myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like okay.
So what I'm going to do is finish off this side, so it's just this little area here, and then come back once we are all secured. Wow. This section played me. I thought that was secured. Choosing a little palette just to go over any section where I messed up my makeup. Is this eyebrow like really arched or what? Oh yeah, sideburns. Turns out that part's not even secured at all. I'm gonna go in and style it with the Ebon spray.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
definitely need to define the part. Wants to be glueless, but there were a lot of things that were preventing it from being glueless in my opinion. If you are installing this wig and you were able to install it glueless, that is great. But I'm going to tell you guys why I decided to use some hairspray, which is technically still a glueless install, but I wanted to secure her and melt her down. I really tried to make this wig a glueless install. I was really excited because it had the pre-cut lace and everything. I found that it was very big fitting. Even with the strap on, the wig was still very big around the front of my face. So I did decide to ultimately secure her with hairspray, with the Ebin spray today, because that is the only way this wig was going to work for me. If you get a wig and it says glueless and you're planning to wear it glueless and it just turns out that it's just not the case, like, it's okay to secure her. This is technically a glueless install because I'm not using glue, so nobody can come for me anyways. But yeah, we secured her down and I think that was the best decision ultimately for this unit. That's what we decided to do. Now, moving on from that, I did do a really beautiful meltdown. Very, very pretty. It is definitely giving Beyonce. I know she's on her tour right now and I'm getting to see all the looks that she's doing and it's looking so cute. And yeah, this wig is definitely giving Beyonce. 180% density, you can tell that there is a lot of hair. I curled this wig like 3 days ago. All I did was touch it up and it's still holding a curl, so that is really nice. It is giving a bit frizziana, but it's okay. I know with these types of highlight wigs, they tend to be on the frizzier side, so I just like to use some heat protectant or some oil-based product. If you find like the frizz is getting out of control, just spray some kind of oily product on your hair and it should smoothen out the frizz and then kind of tame it a bit. So anyways, before I go, let me know your thoughts and your opinion. Do you think I could have gotten away with doing a glueless install on this wig? Let me know. Anyways, guys, that is all for today. If you made it this far into the video, you are the MVP of the day and I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads that I do or giveaways. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.